Stock division, sponsored by Linedecker Excavating and Trucking, down off of turn 4. Here we go. Let's do it, boys. Willie Redmond jumps right out that one. There's Tiger caught in behind the 91 on Dylan Bancroft. He's coming to the race car. On the outside, there's the 20 to George the Mustang on the outside as he sets sail. Blood Redmond way high. Harvey's fighting with it. Right there, here comes Redmond. Boy, I tell you, drop a break there on the top of these three guys. This is only a heat race. Great double feature as Redmond way high pulls onto her. And now loses. What the other one? Oh! Guys, they were a little losers. Harvey fighting tooth and nail right there. Markham down on the inside, doing a little lawn racing. There's Harvey, she can't hold on to him, it's too high. And new race leader with 3rd, Harvey's on the outside of the 11 car, position number 4. Our 2005 track team, trying to get 4th position. That's Chris Typer, and then a Watertown Auto Repair, number 29, Felix Garino. Down on the 4th. Almost losing the handle. Another heck of a boy. Here's Dave Harvey. Here's the number 11 car. He kept it straight down into turn 3 to turn 4. Down on the turn 4 they go. Watch this go out. Number 4. See what George is. Smoke from one of the representatives of the water on the Rebels here. Checking flag being displayed for the 28 Ford Mustang. George Chuck Meyer, your true stock winner at 86.7 miles an hour. At the end, it's Typer on position number 7. True stock back there.
Oh, yeah, that was close.
This is over. It don't get no better than this, ladies and gentlemen. As I told you before, George Chuck Meyer at 86.749 miles an hour last time around. And what an exciting finish.
Nice.
With Chris Typer coming on the outside, getting around Tommy Markham. He's making that position number 2 his here at AIS.
Gary, how much did those heats pay? My goodness.
Man, wasn't that a race, John Clark? I'll tell you, that was a great race, and boy, I'll tell you, I can't wait till the features. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to have a short intermission right now, give you a chance to stretch, get out back and see our good friends from Sam's Club of Watertown, and also Relay for Life, and our wellness organization that are here, and get yourself some great food from Timberview. I think that our AIS printed booth is now up and running, rock and rolling, and Katie McIntyre is there. And stop back and see some of the great clothing, hats, shirts,